Breaking news, guys. Hard 8 breaks the sonic barrier of 1 exahash. Welcome to BLONITY breaking news. First, my little disclaimer, it's no financial advice, my own opinion, my estimates. Don't trust, always verify, understand the numbers, be aware of scammers, and you know the best how to invest your money. Hey, this is huge. Hard 8 secretly adjusted their website, and yesterday it was 875 petahash. Now it's 1031. So they're officially right now above 1 exahash. There are no news right now. So on Twitter, uh, the last tweet was at November 12th. The homepage, the website, there were no news. So maybe they will release the news tomorrow with their new CEO. But yeah, they adjusted their homepage, so I think it's real. They got the last batch of their order from September with the new 1590 M31S Plus Watts miners, I think. And yeah, they installed it maybe yesterday or today, and yeah, they're now above 1 exahash. So this is very significant for Hard 8 because they really need new equipment to get their efficiency up and to get better cross mining margins. So let's check out the OPEX 1. Yesterday we talked about that, about the new indicator. I mean, the OPEX 10 and the OPEX 30 and so they're still low because it's a moving average of a few days. But the OPEX 1, it's 1 day. So I mean, if they turned on the machines yesterday, the whole day, the OPEX 1, so the gross mining margin would have been 27,000 US dollars. So I mean, that's a big improvement compared to the last days of 6,000, 11,000. So they're right now perfectly positive gross mining margins. They're still below their competitors here, still below bench. But we know that they have a nice HODL X, a nice HODL factor of more than 2,800 BTC. So they're number one here. And now the OPEX is improving. I mean, that's really great. So I think the BMXI in the weekend is going to be a lot better for Hive. Also, we can check the efficiency, petahash per megawatt. We see they are still also below their competitors, but it's above 10 now. It's 10.63 right now. So 10.63 petahash per megawatt right now for Hard 8. Yeah, as I told you, tomorrow they will start a new CEO there. It's going to be interesting there, and yes, the stock prices is also doing very good. It's 20%, and by the way, I think BTC made a new all-time high right now, at least on the Bitstamp chart. We can check it. Yes, I mean we're above 19.8 thousand USD. So yeah, we have a new all-time high, guys. Great news. I think the next year, 2021, is going to be insane. It starts now and it will end of next year or maybe a little bit later. We don't know. But this is huge news. From here, it's going to the upside. It's at least in my opinion. We will see very, very interesting times. Yeah, but back to Hard 8. I found the electricity prices for the grid there in Alberta. At least they buy on the grid in Drumheller, I think, and a few megawatts they buy also in Medicine Hat, and then they have agreement with the city of Medicine Hat for electricity. But yeah, I think a good chunk is from the grid, and I found the prices here, the daily prices here. Every hour you have a price, and I checked in, it's below 30 US dollars per megawatt. I think it's Canadian dollars, so right now it's also very cheap. Maybe it's because of partly lockdown in Alberta or so. The consumption is maybe low, or maybe that's the average. I have to check this. But good electricity prices also there in Alberta. Okay, so very good news for Hard 8. After a very tough year until now, I think they improved their efficiency. Also very important is they had a public offering in June where they sold 8.3 million shares for, I think, 1.45 Canadian dollars. And if you bought a stock there, you got a warrant to buy at 1.8 US dollars another share. So if we pass the 1.8 Canadian dollars, right now we're at 1.67 or something like this. I think if we pass the 1.8, yeah, I think a lot of people will buy their new stocks. So we'll have a dilution at maximum of 8.3 million stocks. So that's like 8% or so. I think that's okay. But they will get 12 million US dollars or so. Yeah, to finance their next expansion and yeah, buy maybe let's say 4,000, 5,000 additional miners to get the next 10, 12 megawatts with next generation miners equipped. So that's also very interesting. So I think the 1.8 Canadian dollars for the stock is very significant. So if we pass that, and I think we will do it in the next days, then Hut 8 gets a lot of cash. I hope so. Okay, guys. So that's the Hut 8 news. Great day for all of us. And yeah, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.